This does have ambient lighting. Got a few colors like bronze, white, blue, green. Just depends on what mood you're in. Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm with Jerry Hunt Super Center. I've got a 2019 BMW 3 Series 330i. So this vehicle does come equipped with this the M Sport package, as well as it does have parking sensors here in the front, as you can see. We'll give you the 19-inch black wheels, as well as it does have the sunroof and keyless entry. So come on, let's take a look inside. Hey guys, this one does also come equipped with a heated steering wheel, as well as a Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro mode, as well as it does have the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle that is customizable, and it does have the 18-way adjustable seats. Come by and test drive this vehicle here at Jerry Hunt Super Center. Ask for Chris, and we'll see you later.